what a credit card is, and why people get into debt without realizing it. Most people think credit cards are just debit cards with extra steps. But that's not true. In reality, credit cards are one of the most powerful financial tools ever created, and also one of the easiest ways to fall into debt without even noticing it. In this video, you'll understand exactly how credit cards work and why so many people end up in debt without feeling like they're overspending. A credit card is not your money. It is borrowed money from a bank. When you use a credit card, the bank pays first, and you agree to pay them back later. That's the key difference. Debit card equals your money. Credit card equals borrowed money. And that small difference changes everything. The problem is not the card itself. It's how your brain reacts to it. When you pay with cash, you feel the loss immediately. But with a credit card, there's no pain in the moment. You don't actually see the money leaving your hands, so your brain thinks, it's fine, I can afford it. This is called psychological disconnect, and it's the first step into debt. Credit cards don't feel dangerous at first. You buy small things, food, clothes, subscriptions, online purchases. Nothing feels extreme. But every month, a balance starts building up. And if you don't pay it in full, interest begins to grow. The scary part is that debt doesn't feel like debt in the beginning. It feels like, future me will handle it. Here's where things get serious. Credit cards charge interest on unpaid balances. That means when you owe money, you get charged extra money for owing money. And that extra amount also grows over time. That's why small debt turns into big debt. Not because people spend huge amounts, but because they don't realize how fast interest builds up. Most people don't even realize they're in debt because minimum payments feel safe, statements are confusing, spending doesn't feel real, and everything is automated. So debt becomes invisible. Credit cards are not bad, but they are dangerous if you don't understand how they work. The key is simple. If you use a credit card, treat it like cash. Because if you don't control it, it will control you. If you want to understand money from zero, subscribe and learn step by step with us. See you in the next video.